Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. So this video is about not using process function for handling input events, but instead using the input function itself. So what I mean by this, so suppose I create a 2D scene, command S to save it. I'll attach one script to this. Okay, and here I'll just create two actions as well. Project settings, go to input map. Here I'll click on just name some action, maybe up. I'll click on add, then I'll name it as down. I'll click on add as well, and for up I'll just press the up arrow key. You can press whatever you feel like, and for down I'll just press this down arrow key. Now typically what I used to do is, suppose I want to know when this input function was pressed, right? So I'll just use this process function, and here I'll just do input dot input dot is action pressed, and I'll just do this up or down, choose whatever you feel like, and I'll just print down. Okay, I'm just giving you guys an example. Command S to save it, and I run it, and this works fine. I'll just select the current scene, I'll just press down, and here you can see it is printing down for me. But typically this is not a good idea. What From what I have understood from the documentation, you should use the input event. So this, okay, and here you can see if event dot is action pressed, and here I can just select down, and here I can just print down as well. I'll just copy this, I'll paste it over here, and here we can just comment this process function out. Command S to save. I'll rerun this, press down, and here you can see now this is working fine, because every time I press down, then only this gets triggered. In process it used to trigger like multiple times, because process is called on every frame per second. That's why I think using the input function is a good idea. There is also something called unhandled input. Like, I don't really clearly understand the difference between them, because I'm still a beginner in Godot Game Engine. But if you know, do let me know in the comments. Yeah, like I said, there is unhandled input function as well, which you can override and write the exact same code, and it will work for you. But yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.